Hello and welcome to Bass Guitar Review. I'm Ben Morgan Brown and you've just been watching Ryan demonstrating the DB599 compressor from Aguilar. The DB599 features an all-metal heavy steel construction, side-mounted 1/4-inch jack sockets and a top-mount 9-volt DC power connection. A no-nonsense 2-knob interface allows players to simply dial in the amount of compression and volume, and the pedal has an RRP of £220. As with Aguilar's DB925 preamp boost, which we have previously reviewed, this pedal certainly prioritises size and functionality over complexity. So let's have another listen to Ryan demonstrate the DB599 now as he switches between a bypass signal and the pedal while showing off some different playing techniques. It is obvious that the DB599 has been specifically constructed with bass players' needs in mind. It's voiced perfectly for the low frequencies, and the pre-selected ratio, attack and release settings allow the affected tone to remain neutral and musical. Whether you use it as an always-on pedal or bring it into play for certain styles, its quiet operation and true bypass means there are no detrimental effects to your tone, and its rugged durability means it will stand up to the rigours of live gigging. With only 2 controls to concern yourself with, this is not a pedal for the tweak geeks, and you will have to live with the broader tonal choices already made by Aguilar. However, the DB599 does sound amazing out of the box, and it's surprisingly versatile despite its control limitations. Beyond its fantastic sound, another very welcome aspect of the 599 is its small footprint. Whether you prefer a simple setup or a more sophisticated pedal board, players will welcome the mini size, although do keep in mind the side-mounted jacks do add a little width once your cables have been plugged in. For £220 you might feel short-changed that you only get 2 controls with the DB599, but its powerful and musical sound and small footprint bulletproof casing certainly makes up for the lack of more detailed control, proving that, in this compressor's case, good things do come in small packages. I hope you've enjoyed this video from Bass Guitar Review. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be kept up to date when we post new videos, and Ryan and I look forward to seeing you next time.